Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest way to send direct messages on Snapchat. Whether you're reaching out to a friend or just want to share a quick thought, communicating on Snapchat is super easy. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Snapchat app and make sure you're logged in. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from your app store. Once you're in, you'll see the iconic yellow interface that's familiar to all Snapchat users. Next, look for the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a speech bubble, and it's your gateway to all your conversations. Give that icon a tap, and you'll be taken to your chat list. Now, scroll through your conversations, or use the search bar at the top to find the person you want to message. Once you locate the conversation, open it by simply tapping on their name. You'll see the chat screen where all the magic happens. After that, it's time to type your message. At the bottom of the screen, there's a text box where you can express your thoughts. Whether it's a quick, "Hey," or a longer update, just type it in and make it your own. Finally, when you're ready to send your message, look for the send button. It's a small arrow pointing to the right. Go ahead and tap that, and your message is off. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a direct message on Snapchat. Simple, right? Thanks for tuning in, and happy snapping.